Easy money in real estate. My cameraman has just asked me the question, how can he make easy money in real estate? Well, easy, that's subjective. Can it be done? Is it easy? It is easy when you know how. Mistakes come from experiencing something. Experience comes from mistakes. So somewhere along the line, you have to start somewhere. Real estate is easy if you know how. So I suggest you read the right books. Go out there, choose the top 6 books in real estate investing, read them, know them, understand them. Get to speak with agents, go to seminars, get your knowledge base up, talk to people who have already done it, talk to people that are investing, and then do it. Do not choose to go and be a developer straight off the bat. Start by looking for something a little bit more simple, not always easy when it's your first one, but it will become easy. When you buy, rent and hold, it is probably the safest way for a newbie investor. You will need some help, but you can do it. It isn't difficult. If you're needing any help, feel free to pop me a DM. I'm happy to assist. Happy investing.